Welcome viewers. Now today I am going to say some shortcut techniques of some special integrals. Today I am going to take two types. The first type we'll see now. Integral dx by x into x power 5 plus 1. This is one question. Next is dx by x into x power 22 plus 1. And third question, integral dx by what x into x cube plus 1. Okay, three questions. If you see all these three questions are same form. Yes? Yes. See, only the difference is the first sum I have x power 5 plus 1. Second question I have x power 22. Third question I have what x cube. Therefore, if I could solve the first question, then clearly I can solve the other question easily. Understood? I can derive a formula and I can do this one. Understood? See how much time it takes. If I do this one, the usual procedure, definitely it takes 5 minutes minimum. Understood? Now see, within no time, see how I am solving this one. Integral dx by x into x power 5 plus 1. This is nothing but the answer will be what? 1 by 5 into log of x power 5 by x power 5 plus 1. This is the answer. Plus c. Can you understand? 1 by 5 log of x power 5 by x power 5 plus 1 plus c. Okay. I think now you can say the answer for the second question. Yes. Can you say what will be the answer for the second question? This is nothing but what? Yes, good. 1 by 22 log. This will be what? X power 22 by x power 22 plus 1 plus c. That's all. Now see the third question. The third question, if I take 1 by 3, the power is what? 3. 1 by 3 log of x power 3 x cube by x power 3 plus 1 plus c. This will be the answer. Yes. Now I am going to say how we are getting these answers. What is the formula behind this? Yes. I think formula you might have got. See the formula behind this is, see here, the formula I'm going to write. Now I think you can tell the formula. I think you might have understood what formula I used here. Understood? And I am going to derive the formula also. See here, note. The formula here I applied is integral dx by x into x power n plus 1. This is nothing but 1 by n. Whatever is the power of x here, this power I took here. 1 by n into log of x power n by x power n plus 1 plus c. Therefore, this is the formula used here. Understood? Very rarely we'll use this formula. Understood? Okay. Here actually, even in you see in your book, Cbse book, actually they might have derived the problem. Suppose x into x power 22 plus 1 means what? They might have derived. They should not have used this formula. Understood? Therefore, easy way is that if I know this formula, just a fraction of second I can do. Suppose if it is asked in 2 mark or 4 mark, just I can solve, I can derive the answer. Then afterwards I can verify the answer at least for this one, or in any competitive exam if they ask, just I can write the answer. See, now I am going to what? Prove this one. See the proof now. Now the proof. Now integral dx by x into x power n plus 1. This is the given sum. This, what I am going to do now, I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator by x power n minus 1. If I multiply, this become what? X power n into x power n plus 1. Can you follow me? Yes, I multiplied the numerator and denominator by what? X power n minus 1. Therefore, the denominator x become what? X power n into x power n plus 1 into dx. Now I am going to assume, understood, make the assumption that let x power n plus 1, this is equal to t. The reason, what's the reason? When you assume anything in the integration, you must know what's the proper reason. That's very important. Understood? X power n plus 1. See, if I differentiate x power n plus 1, what I am going to get? N into x power n minus 1. That is, its power will be decreased by 1. That is in the numerator. That is in the numerator x power n minus 1. We no need to bother about the constant. If the variable term denominator we have at x power n, in the numerator we have at x power n minus 1. Wherever we have like this term, this is a substitution x power. Either you can take x power n equal to t, or x power n plus 1 is also equal to t, whatever it may be, both will get the answer. Now I assumed as what x power n plus 1 into t. Now if I differentiate this one, see what we get. If I differentiate this one, n into x power n minus 1 into dx, 1 automatically becomes 0, that is equal to dt. Okay. Now in the numerator, what we have in the numerator, I have what? X power n minus 1 into dx. Therefore, I have to substitute for x power n minus 1 into dx. That is nothing but what? Dt by what? N. Okay. Now I am going to replace the integral, that is the variable, by what? Completely in terms of t. What is x power n minus 1 dx? That is nothing but what? Dt by n. Yes. Whole divided by, again, x power n. What will be x power n? See, x power n plus 1. What was my assumption? X power n plus 1 equal to t. Therefore, x power n is nothing but what? T minus 1. This is what? T minus 1. Next, x power n plus 1. This is nothing but what? T. Okay. Now this, how can I write this one? 1 by n integral of dt by this. If I multiply, I'll be getting what? T square minus t. Okay. Now this type of integral, you know what I have to do here. I must complete using the completing the square method. I must put this one in the form of what? X square minus a square form. See what will I get? That is 1 by n integral of dt by, you know how to complete, t minus half of the coefficient of t, that is what? 1 by 2 the whole square, minus the square of this number, minus the square of whatever number here I wrote, that is t minus 1 by 2 I wrote, no? Therefore, the square of this number. Therefore, this I can write. This is what? A shortcut way to complete the square. See, if I have any doubt, just expand and see exactly I'll get this one. If I expand this one, what will I get? T square minus 2 into 2ab, 2t into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 the whole square, 1 by 4. This is what? Minus 1 by 4. This minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 get cancelled. T and 2 also get cancelled. Therefore, t square minus t. That's what we have. Therefore, see how to write in the completing the square form easily. T square. First, you make the coefficient of t square is at 1. If I make it is at 1, t minus half of the coefficient of t. Understood? Half of the, here whatever the coefficient you have, take its half. Therefore, here I have what? 1. Therefore, its half is what? 1 by 2. T minus 1 by 2 the whole square minus the square of this number. That's all. This is what completing the square method. Now, this is in the form of what? Exactly the form of x square minus a square. What is the formula for x square minus a square? That is equal to 1 by n. We know the formula, integral dx by x square minus a square. This is nothing but what is the formula for x square minus a square? X square minus a square. If I remember the formula, then you substitute and we'll get the answer. What is that? 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. This is the formula. Okay, now if I apply this formula, this completely I am going to take as what? X. This completely I am going to take what? X. It's a differentiation only we have here. Understood? Therefore, this I will be getting what? 1 by n already we have, divided by 1 by 2a. 2 into what is a here? 1 by 2 into log of x minus a. What is x here? T minus 1 by 2 minus a. What is a here? Again what? Minus 1 by 2 by xt minus 1 by 2 plus a, that is what? 1 by 2. Okay. Now if I simplify this, what will I get? Here 1 by n. This is what? 1 by n. Here this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore, log of here t minus 1 by 4. Right? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. That I will be getting what? Minus 1. Whole divided by, here minus of and plus of get cancelled, that is nothing but what? T. Therefore, the final answer by replacing by x, log of what is t minus 1? T minus 1 is nothing but x power 5, x power n by what is t I have assumed? I have assumed t is what? X plus 1. plus what c. This is the required result. 1 by n into log of x power n by x power n plus c. Therefore, this is this one. Suppose if I have with numbers, what I do? We have to do all these things. But instead of that, if I remember this formula, the integrals of this form can be just apply the formula and we can get. Understood? Okay. Now we will be seeing what? The type 2. Okay. Now see. I gave 3 questions. Almost 3 questions are almost the same. dx by 1 plus 8 sine square x plus 3 cos square x. And the second question also, what one constant term is there, and the sine square x term and cos square x term. Similarly, the third question is sine square x, 5 sine square x plus 3 cos square x, but there is no constant term. Okay, now see the answer. See answer, just if I do this one in the usual method, see it takes what? Lot of time. It takes what? Lot of time. See how to write the answer within no time. See here 1 by 8 sine square x plus 3 cos square x. This I am going to write 1 by just all mind calculation only. Here 3 into what? 2, 36 also we can write directly into tan inverse of 3 by 2 tan inverse of x plus over. Can you follow? 1 is equal to 1 divided by 3 by 2 tan inverse of 3 by 2 tan inverse. Here not tan inverse. Here what? Tan inverse of tan x will get 3 into tan inverse 3 by 2 tan inverse of 3 by 2 tan x plus c. This must be the answer. Okay. How many of you understood the technique I followed? Yes. If you can follow, see the technique again I am using here. That is equal to 1 by 5 into 4 tan inverse of 5 by 4 tan x plus c. Yes, hope many of you might have understood the technique what I am doing here. Understood? 1 by 3 by 2 into tan inverse of 3 by 2 into tan x plus c 1 is equal to 1 5 by 4 tan inverse of 5 by 4 tan x plus c. This is the answer. Just a fraction of a second I need. Again the next question. See. For the next question, what will be the answer? That is equal to 1 5 into 3 tan inverse of 5 tan x by 3 plus c. This may be very easy for you. 5 and 3 is there. Only if I have constant term, we have a little doubt what I have done here. See, it's very easy. First you consider these type of question. See, consider the given denominator, the form of what like this. That is a sine square x plus b cos square x plus c. This is if this form, in the denominator if you have, only I can just apply this formula. A sine square x term and the cos square x term and the constant term, or without constant term, whatever may be. Therefore, this if I have like this, then what can be the answer? See, how can we write the answer now? Now the answer will be that is equal to, see here I wrote 1 3 by 2. This how I am getting 1 3 by 2. Just add this a and c, the coefficient of sine square x and constant term, and take the root. And next is what? Just add b and c and take the square root, b plus c. Understood? And tan inverse of again here what I have to put? A plus c by root b plus c into tan x plus c. That's all. This is the formula. Understood? This is the technique behind here. See here 8 sine square. Here what is a? 8 is what a. What is b here? This is what b and this is what c. Okay. Now see 1 by root of a plus c. Add a and c. Add a and c. A plus c is what? 9. Therefore, root 9 is what? 3. That's what I wrote here. B plus c. 3 plus 1. That is what? 4. That's what I wrote here. Tan inverse of, again what? This, whatever I added here. This number 3 by 2 into tan x plus c. Yes, I hope understood. Okay, now see the second sum the same way here. 21 plus 4, 25. What is root 25? That is what 5. Next 12 plus 4, 16. What is the square root of 16? That is what 4. Tan inverse of 5 by 4 into tan x. Okay. Now see the second one 5. Here c is not there. Here I have what? A. Remember that the coefficient of sine square to be taken as what? A. Don't take otherwise. Understood? Cos square, the coefficient of cos square x I can take as what? B. Here what is the constant term? Here the constant term is not there. That is what? Zeros. Constant term is not there. That is what? 0. Okay. See if I apply in the form, what will get? A plus c. A is what? 5 and c is what? 0. Therefore, root of a plus c. Root of a plus c I have to get here. But here actually I should have what? 5 square. That's what I made the mistake here. Here the question must be what? 25 sine square x. Here I should have what? 9 cos square x. That's an important thing. Understood? 25 sine square x and plus 9 cos square x. Now this is what? A. This is what? A and this is what? B. Therefore, root A into root B. Understood? A sine square means what? Root A. A plus C is what? 0. Therefore, the formula become what? Root A into root B. See this one? Here C is 0 means what? Root A into root B. Therefore, 5 into 3 into tan inverse of this 5 will come here and 3 tan x plus C. Just a fraction of second, I can write the answer. The derivation how we are getting. Therefore, the formula I told, this is not a formula, just what a technique here. Actually, you cannot find a formula like this in Cbse book. Understood? This is just what a technique. What is the technique behind here? Just I can apply. That is the formula I can tell. See what is the formula here? Note the formula is what? Integral dx by a sine square x plus b cos square x plus c. If I have like this, this I can write as what? 1 by root of a plus c into root of b plus c into here I will be getting what? A tan inverse of root of a plus c by root of b plus c into tan x plus the c, the constant of integration. Therefore, this is what? An easy formula, the easy technique, actually an easy technique to do this type of problem. I hope today we have learned two special type of integral, how to find the answer just in a fraction of seconds. I think you try this type of problem. Thank you.